Understanding the phrase, curl up, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very cozy and interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, curl up. This is a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or from native English speakers, and it's quite a common and useful expression. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of curl up. The phrase, curl up, is a phrasal verb in English, and it generally means to sit or lie in a position with your legs bent and your body curved. It's a position that people often take when they're feeling comfortable, relaxed, or safe. For example, you might curl up on the sofa with a good book, or curl up in bed under the blankets. Examples: 1. After a long day at work, all I want to do is curl up on the couch and watch TV. 2. The cat curled up in the sunbeam and took a nap. 2.1 Curl up with something. You can curl up with a book, a movie, or anything else that brings you comfort. It implies that you're making yourself comfortable in order to enjoy that activity. Example: I'm going to curl up with a good book and a cup of tea this evening. 2.2 Curl up and die. This is a more dramatic and exaggerated way to express feeling embarrassed, ashamed, or in great discomfort. It's often used humorously. Example: I was so embarrassed when I tripped on stage. I just wanted to curl up and die. Curl up can also convey a sense of seeking comfort or protection, especially when feeling sad or vulnerable. People or animals curl up when they're trying to shield themselves from something, which can be a physical or emotional threat. Examples: 1. The baby curled up in her mother's arms. 2. Sometimes, when life gets tough, all you want to do is curl up in bed and forget about the world for a while. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, curl up. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the different ways this phrase can be used, and that it adds a nice touch to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice and exposure, so don't be afraid to use curl up in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you next time.